Hello guys, and welcome into a unusual apartment renovation episode. Saturday one, since now the lighting is way better, and the main worker doesn't work on weekends. I can show you how everything is coming along. So hopefully the shower area will be wide enough on my taste in order to fit a normal size washing machine of 60 centimeters wide, and the really expensive toilet with that glass panel on it. You can imagine glass on that side, glass here from the shower. I'm having a bit of, let's say, worries for the washing machine not to hit the sides when the rinse cycle will begin. The rinse and all that cycle that makes the washing machine the spin cycle that makes it shake, no matter how well it would be placed on standoffs, because otherwise, honestly, I would have made this shower, let's say, wider, 90 centimeters wide, and it would have fit a vertical washing machine without an issue, and the toilet there. But hopefully it will all be okay. So as it is right now, this would be the width of the walk-in shower. Let's say it's not as wide as I would have wanted it to be, that's for sure. But hey, you cannot have them all. I will fit in, no problem, and since the glass of the shower will be slidable, will slide, the area will look really spacious. So yeah, we'll have to see exactly, but you can imagine everything will be lifted, even here, at the same level that the concrete will have there on that area. And since that glass panel will slide, it needs about 2 to 4 centimeters in width to have the outer door slide towards the wall, so it overlaps on the exterior, and that's why if let's say first the static panel, the one that will be fixed, is at the 80 centimeters mark, the one that slides can go up to 84 centimeters. So this has to be taken into consideration. I'm having a bit of doubts on how it will be able to fit here a 60 centimeters washing machine. I mean, it's just not enough space. We'll have to see. If anything, I will tell him to put the panel, let's say, with 2 centimeters more to this side. It's not a big deal. and at least have more room in the shower area, and put here a 45 centimeter washing machine that will not hit anything. I mean, it's just the way things are, and I will buy a separate dryer right here, and I will connect it to this power source. Right now this here is for the light. It will be for the light, not for that one. And the switch for the bathroom light, and this for one let's say a power source. But right now it doesn't have the proper fuse to sustain with all the protections. It's just let's say a normal power source that I could have used for everything else, but when you have a washing machine, a dryer, it really needs to have the I don't know how you say it, differential power fuse safety. It needs to be a dedicated circuit, and this will be done just by replacing the B10 fuse from the box, the main fuse box, with a B16 and the differential safety added. So this will not be a problem, just that the dryer will be here and will take the space from the lobby. I really didn't want this to be, and I will need a dryer, that is for sure, since I will not have any more strings here to hang the clothes. But yeah, it will be amazing. I mean, compared to what it was, I don't want to make God or the universe mad. I mean, it will look awesome. But these are first world problems. The walk-in shower is with 2 centimeters narrower. And let's go to what job was done today. So today the plumber came in and finished the entire job. So everything is, I think he didn't, let's say he didn't work here at all. I'll have to see exactly how here we should have some ways of turning off the water source. So hopefully they will add some more valves. Because you see, right now as it is, although the water is cut, I think there was still problems before. Without this bypass, water would have came down when the water was still on from the basement. Yep. So everything looks way better and will look perfect in the end. Right now it's still crude and raw. And let's go to the radiators inside the house. Here it will be, I think it will be done also. It will be repaired. Because you can see those pipes come way lower than 10 centimeters, how they should have been. I think this was the only one left. But now it's all good, so right as you see. I was worried about these caps, but these are just temporary, so this will not remain here. This is just to protect these components during the renovation process. After that they will be taken off. Let's see if I can screw it in correctly. And there we go. Right here we will have the thermostat valve, those big ones that I've purchased in all the packs, in all those blisters from Ferro. So these ones, they will be everywhere. So all the radiators will have this, and it will be a lot nicer to know exactly what level of heat will be done by each radiator. So everything was fitted here also, and especially in my bedroom. Right here we have more of this stuff. Everything will go on these radiators eventually. So you can see how nice it was done, everything. Only there is that low space, but I guess it's just how it needed to be done. But otherwise these are really nice, so you can compare them to where they were before and where they are now. And also 4 of these standoffs on each radiator. Really nice. So yeah, this is about it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I wish you a sunny weekend, a beautiful day ahead, and take care wherever you are.